And the race against COVID-19 is picking up speed. For the first time since Jamaica started mass vaccination in March, children 12 years or older got their first dose of the Pfizer vaccine. But the health ministry says just about 13,000 of the expected 23,000 persons took the jab, mainly because of bad weather today. Sandy Williams visited some of the sites in the corporate area.
Despite isolated showers across the corporate area, scores of parents and guardians came out to get their children inoculated with the Pfizer vaccine on Saturday. Healthcare workers here at the Jamaica College High School in St. Andrew say from 10 o'clock this morning, the turnout has been significant.
I got here with the vaccine at about 8:30, and there were many people here. There was a lot of people all around waiting in classrooms and standing around waiting to get inside. And when the first set came in, it was all filled. Every chair was filled with the first set of people, and there were still many people sitting outside. It was a little bit hectic because with the amount of people and the staff that we had, the vaccines are new to us, these vaccines, so we had to, unlike the AstraZeneca, this one had to be mixed, diluted and mixed.
Taking the jab, it was a common experience because now I know that even if I do get corona, it will not affect me as bad as if I hadn't taken the vaccine.
I would encourage every single parent out there, do your own research, do your homework, and make your own informed decision.
At this location alone, up to 4 o'clock this afternoon, more than 600 doses of the Pfizer vaccine had been administered. Now, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the Pfizer vaccine will be administered only to persons in the education sector. But today, other people turned up to get the jab.
I know that I won't have significant side effects if I ever have it, so it makes me feel a lot more comfortable.
Other designated locations across the corporate area are the National Arena, St. George's College, and Merle Grove High Schools. Here at Merle Grove, more than 600 children were vaccinated today. With the planned resumption of face-to-face classes come October, securing a high rate of vaccination among children is critical. Reporting from Merle Grove High School in St. Andrew, I'm Sandy Williams for TVJ News.